Hello guys, this is RockForce Professional Tools 57 pieces ratchet set. The number is 2571-5, and this is the all stuff inside the box. Chrome vanadium steel, 1/4 inch size. It's a very nice small set for car repairs and home appliances. Okay, let's see the size of the case. It's a 26 centimeters by 16 by 5.5. Okay. The case is very sturdy, hard plastic, very nice. Okay, we have a open here, it's a metal hinge, which is good. This is the set, 57 pieces. So we have the ratchet handle, very nice handle, and very good machining. The sound is very good, very nice. The next is this screwdriver with 1/4 inch on the back. We can use this T-bar. This is the sockets. It's from 4.5 millimeters to 14. Very good. We have a deep sockets. For this kind of set, this is very rare. Deep sockets, it's from 6 millimeters to 13. We have this conversion, it's a 1/4 inch to 3/8 inch. This is star sockets here. Okay, this is the flexible extension. Very good. The nice thing from this set is this one. It's a 150 millimeters with knurled portion here extension, because on the other set they are smaller. It's about 100 millimeters, but this one is 150, which is nice. We have one more extension. It's a 75 millimeters with knurled portion here, and the last one we have screwdriver sockets. It's a PH and very nice. I think this is one of the most complete set on 1/4 inch, and it's a very good machining, very nice quality. I think this brand is made in Taiwan, and it's very good. I think it will be last a long time, and it's very good.